Ferrari has used Monterey to introduce something far more exclusive than a regular production model. The new CZ26 is a one-off berlinetta created for a client in the United States through Ferrari's Special Projects program. Although the car is based on the SF90 Stradale, almost everything visible from the outside has been redesigned to give the CZ26 its own identity. The project was developed by the Ferrari Design Studio under the direction of Flavio Manzoni. Instead of simply modifying the body of an SF90 Stradale, the designers created a completely different two-box shape with a low and wide stance. A central capsule-like section is surrounded by prominent wheel arches, giving the CZ26 proportions that immediately separate it from the car underneath. The front is particularly unusual for a modern Ferrari. A wide grille Stradale across nearly the entire nose and incorporates extremely thin concealed lighting, brake cooling openings, sensors, and other equipment. The nearly vertical front edge also gives the CZ26 a more aggressive and distinctive appearance than the SF90 Stradale. Ferrari put considerable effort into the aerodynamics as well. The underbody and vortex generators have been redesigned, while air curtains positioned at the outer sections of the front bumper help manage airflow around the car. At the rear, Ferrari created a new upper spoiler and diffuser arrangement designed to produce additional downforce without creating excessive aerodynamic drag. The rear design is just as distinctive as the front. A short, sharply cut tail combines with cantilevered taillights and a large diffuser to emphasize the width of the car. It is a design that looks intentionally different from Ferrari's regular production lineup while still carrying recognizable elements of the brand. One of the CZ26's most striking features is its paint. Ferrari developed an exclusive Argento Veloce silver finish with a liquid-like appearance. Rosso Lampante accents provide contrast, while pigmented carbon fiber is used around the wheel arches and aerodynamic components. The cabin continues the personalized approach. Black technical fabric covers much of the interior, while the seats feature three-dimensional printed inserts. Rosso Lampante details appear throughout the cabin, along with an embroidered CZ26 logo. Ferrari also combines gloss carbon fiber containing metallic filaments with satin carbon fiber and body-colored sections across the dashboard and doors. Mechanically, Ferrari kept the proven plug and hybrid system from the SF90 Stradale. Its twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine produces approximately 786 horsepower and works with electric motors producing a combined 162 kilowatts. Energy is supplied by a 7.9 kilowatt-hour battery, allowing approximately 25 kilometers or 15.5 miles of electric-only driving. Power reaches the wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Ferrari claims the CZ26 can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds and reach 200 kilometers per hour in 6.7 seconds. Top speed is listed at 328 kilometers per hour, or approximately 204 miles per hour. The CZ26 rides on 20-inch wheels with 255/35 tires at the front and 315/30 tires at the rear. Carbon ceramic brakes provide the stopping power, with Ferrari claiming the car can stop from 100 kilometers per hour in less than 96.8 feet. At approximately 187.5 inches long, 79.0 inches wide, and only 46.8 inches tall, the CZ26 has the proportions expected from a serious Ferrari supercar. Its wheelbase measures 104.3 inches, while weight distribution is split 45% at the front and 55% at the rear. What ultimately makes the CZ26 special is not simply its performance. An SF90 Stradale already provides extraordinary speed. The attraction here is exclusivity. The owner has a Ferrari shaped specifically around a personal vision, combining familiar SF90 performance with a body and cabin that will not be sitting next to another identical example at the next major automotive gathering. For Ferrari collectors, that level of individuality is becoming increasingly important. The CZ26 demonstrates how far Ferrari's Special Projects division can move away from a donor vehicle while retaining the engineering that made the original car so capable. Monterey is an appropriate place for its debut because even among some of the world's rarest cars, the CZ26 is designed to stand apart.